lugha ya Kiswahili.
Marari mambura ma kuhumbwo thumbi kwa arutwo a thukuru ya guthomithania maundu mothaka ya Gorgeous Hair and Beauty mwena wa Thika, na haha niho muthuri arokereirio ni gukorwo atiganiirie mwana wa kahii, gukirikana aingi ao matikoretwo makimahe mataro na makonekana ta mateaniirio.
Need to socialize our boys into manhood. Manhood can only be impacted by men toward their boys. And where are the men to do that? Wagojiri, we must start an initiative in this county to bring back men into families so that they can mentor their boys into manhood.
Murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Gathoni wa Muchomba ni araugire mwana wa kairitu ni akoretwo amukiritwo muno makiria na uguo nake mwana wa kahii akaonekana ta atiganiirio.
Research, kaunti yetu ya Kiambu watoto wetu wavulana wamefinyika sana. Ndio maana unaona out of these 200 girls that are graduating, only one boy is here. Why don't we have double of 200 girls, 200 boys?
Ihinda-ini o riu wa Muchomba ni arakomitheirie wongerereku wa ciiko cia arutwo a airitu kuhirwo mahu, akiuga undu uyu ni ugubatara kumurikwo na njira iria yagirire.
God wisdom and grace accompany you as you go out there to transform lives through your ability that you have learned at Gorgeous Hair and Beauty College, while embracing Gorgeous Hair and Beauty College core values of helping others, integrity, enjoyment, determination, passion, ambition, support, encouragement, and creativity.
Mwena-ini wake mwambiriria wa thukuru uyu Jacqueline Waithera ni aroririe arutwo mahuthire kothi iria marathomeire na njira iria yagirire niguo mahote kwiyukiriria kimuturire. Ihinda-ini o riu ni aroririe arutwo matigage gutema rugo wona riria marikia mathomo na handu-ini hake makaingagira thukuru-ini ta icio na guthomera kothi mwanya mwanya.
Yes. Aciari mutinahura wega, hurai wegega.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Geto wa maitha wa Mwaura.